Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about are Discord client modes safe? So let's get started. So guys, using Discord client mode, also known as Discord modifications or modes, comes with certain risks. These modes typically involve altering the Discord's client's behavior or appearance through third-party software or scripts. So today we are here with some considerations regarding the safety of Discord's client modes. Firstly, Discord client modes can potentially introduce security vulnerabilities into your Discord client. Since these modes often involve third party software or scripts, they may not undergo the same level of scrutiny and security testing as the official Discord client. So, many Discord modes violate Discord's terms of services. Discord's TOS prohibits users from modifying the Discord client in ways that give them an unfair advantage, automatic actions, or bypass Discord security features. Using modes that violate that TOS can result in your account being banned or restricted. So, modes can have unintended consequences on your Discord client's stability and performance as well. They may cause crashes, glitches, or other issues that disrupt your Discord experience. So, Discord does not officially support client modes. If you encounter issues while using a modded client, you may not be able to receive support from Discord's official channels as well. So, Discord frequently updates its client, introducing new features and security patches. Modes may not always be promptly updated to remain compatible with the latest version of Discord, leading to potential compatibility issues or security vulnerabilities. So, in summary, while some Discord client modes may offer additional features or customization options, they also come with inherent risk. It's crucial to carefully consider these risks and weigh them against the potential benefits before deciding to use any Discord client modes. Additionally, always prioritize your account security and compliance with Discord's terms of services. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.